Ni salama kwa sababu unafanya kazi, mwisho wa mwezi you make your money, you go home. Lakini kujiajiri ni risk. Ni risk kwa sababu you can lose your money. Wengi wetu we are scared to lose our money. So we choose to be, tunachagua kufanya kazi kwenye zone ambayo ni salama. And the safest zone ambayo ni salama kabisa is employment. It's employment. I'm saying this because hatutaki nyinyi muamini kwenye swala la kuwa employed for the rest of your lives. It is safe to be employed by the nation. Very safe. Lakini at the end it's very bad. It's good in the beginning, kama unapokuwa umeajiriwa it's okay, no risks, you're okay. Lakini mwisho wa safari it's not sweet. Employment ni nzuri sana mwanzoni. Kujiajiri mwenyewe ni ngumu sana mwanzoni, lakini at the end it's good. Take the point. Yani njia mbili za kuweza kufanikiwa. Ya kwanza ni employment. Ya pili ni kujiajiri mwenyewe. Ndiye kumwelewa kwa njia moja ni salama. Salama kabisa. Kuna matatizo kuhusu. You work, unalipwa, mwisho wa mwezi you make your money, you go home. It's safe. Lakini ya pili na risk. Ambapo you take risk every day, you lose, you cry, unaibiwa, unapata hasara, unaendelea sawa. Lakini at the end of the day, that's what the next thing. Someone will be crying and someone will be happy. Sasa unachagua nini? I chose mimi nichagua njia yake. Kama wewe hapa I slept on the floor. You will stand up and do things. I slept on the floor. The cafe. I had a long story to tell you. Now you can take me to the other meeting. It was bad. Very bad until the day. Soon you hear about that. I think I came here back in 2000 with 250,000. Like you read it from the one to the other side. You have to take a small baby from family, baby. You can't let it get to the description like I said, you can't do that to be the root of I have no money. Now I go here and get to buy the people on the other door speaking, I never see them speaking, the other door of my son, who still sees them as well. A friend of mine, I don't want to mention his name, he came and he took me to his house. He ran a missionary one. Then this guy, I don't know if I met guy, in the middle of the night, when I mentioned in India, he chased me out of his house. Because nobody in my bucket, I started to see me to go in the next. The shop took when you got that much tonight, because I was from the radio. The car from because I come to me, because the car from the cafe. Do you know that? You don't know about the cafe. You don't know the people sick. You don't know. It's not easy. Lakini I believe in that path. Kama hiyo njia ni ngumu, lakini at the end it's very sweet. Are you with me? Mnanisikiliza? I am saying this to inspire. Nataka kuachia moyo. Hii usiamini kwenye njia moja.